Today, I'm going to teach you the first class of the fourth part of 24 festive drum called Spring. On this set, we have 3 drums, first, second, and third. The first line is E, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 右左左右左右. But we're going to do it part by part. The first part is E, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, E, 1, 2, you hit it on the first drum. Then E, 1, 2 is third and first. E, 1 is on the second drum. Now let's try it on a drum using the speed of 70. Ready? Now, let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second part is E, 1, 2, 1, 2, 右左左右左右. 右左左右左右, you hit it on the second drum. And E, 1, 2, 1, 2 is the same. Now, let's try it on a drum using the speed of 70. Ready? Now, let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we already learned the first and the second part, let's link them playing with the speed of 70 twice. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our first class of Spring. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.